Hello, my name is Mary from Mary's Kitchen MTL. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful strawberry tart. These are the ingredients you will need for the jam. 3 pounds of strawberries cut in pieces, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and the juice of 1 large lemon. Here are the ingredients for the dough. 2½ cups of sifted all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sifted powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, the zest of 1 lemon, 2 large eggs and 2 large egg yolks at room temperature, and 1/2 cup of unsalted melted butter at room temperature. Here is the procedure. Wash your strawberries, hull them and cut them in pieces. Place them inside a large skillet or saucepan. Add the granulated sugar and lemon juice. Bring this to a boil over high heat. Reduce the heat to medium-low once the mixture thickens. Cook for 1 hour and stir frequently. The jam is ready once the mixture reduces and the juice thickens. Transfer it inside a bowl and set it aside while you prepare the dough. Add the flour to your food processor bowl, the powdered sugar, the baking powder, the salt, and the lemon zest. Pulse for 1 minute to combine the dry ingredients. Add the eggs, the yolks, and the melted butter. Pulse for 2 minutes until the dough comes together and forms a ball. Dust your work surface with flour and transfer the dough. Knead for 1 minute. Shape the dough into a ball and then into a disc. Divide it in 2 parts, 1 part slightly bigger for the base. Wrap the pieces separately and tightly with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 30 minutes. You will need a 9-inch tart pan with a removable bottom. Grease it with soft butter and set it aside. Dust a piece of parchment paper and your rolling pin with flour. Roll your base to fit your tart pan. Dust with flour to prevent sticking. The dough should be 1/8 of an inch thick. Dust the dough and rolling pin with flour and wrap the dough around the rolling pin. Unroll the dough on the tart pan and press it down gently with your fingers. Remove the excess, set it aside, and poke holes with a fork. Set this aside. Now roll out the second piece of dough 1/8 of an inch thick and cut 10 strips. Set them aside. Add and spread out the prepared jam. Place the strips and remove the excess. Decorate your tart with decorative cookie cutters. I'm using flower cookie cutters that I purchased on Amazon. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Place your tart on top of another tray to keep your oven floor clean. Bake for 55 minutes on the second to last oven rack. While the strawberry tart is baking, I will show you how to make Nutella half moon cookies with the excess dough. Roll out the excess dough 1/8 of an inch thick. Cut circles using a 3-inch round cookie cutter. Add 1 small teaspoon of Nutella or your favorite jam in the center. Fold and seal with a fork and place the cookies on a lined tray. Repeat the process with the remaining dough. Once the tart has baked, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely on your kitchen counter. Now bake the cookies on the second to last oven rack. Bake at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Once the cookies have baked, allow them to cool. Once the strawberry tart has cooled, dust it with powdered sugar. I'm sure you will enjoy this treat. It can be refrigerated for 3 days and can also be frozen for up to 3 months. You can enjoy it as a casual dessert or for a special occasion. Dust the cookies with powdered sugar once they have cooled. These cookies can be kept in an airtight container at room temperature for 3 days, and they can also be frozen for 3 months. Enjoy! I hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to click that subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.